SpaceX just lit up Texas today with a jaw-dropping Starship test flight, and its lunar-ready heat shield stole the show. Launched hours ago, it's trending hard as NASA's 2026 moon mission inches closer. Is this the rocket to outpace everyone? Let's blast off into it. Hey Tech fam, welcome to our channel. SpaceX's Starship soared high today in Texas, prepping for NASA's big 2026 lunar landing. US fans are losing it over those dazzling heat shield tiles and what this means for getting humans back on the moon. Today we're unpacking this lunar leap. Let's go! Here's the scoop. SpaceX pulled off a high-altitude test at Starbase on April 2nd morning, rocking Ship 35 and Booster 16. The Star? A next-gen heat shield. Thousands of hexagonal tiles shimmering like sci-fi armor, built to survive the fiery plunge back from space. Space.com says it hit 100 kilometers up, nailing engine relights and a steep re-entry angle to stress test those tiles. X is buzzing. The glow was unreal. This is huge for NASA's Artemis 3, slated for September 2026, where Starship's HLS variant will land astronauts on the moon's south pole. Outpacing rivals, China's eyeing 2030, but SpaceX's reusable beast could clinch first. Data's still rolling in, but Elon Musk tweeted, "Tiles held, lunar preps on, servers nearly crashed from the hype." This isn't just a test, it's a lunar promise. Those tiles, upgraded from Flight 8's batch, mean that Starship can handle 25,000 mph re-entries, key for moon trips. NASA's betting billions on for Artemis, and US space fans see it outshining China's Long March or Intel's GPU dreams at 75% cheaper than SLS, with 16 tanker flights planned by summer 2025 to nail orbital refueling. Risks? Tiles flaked in past tests, but today's glow says progress. X fans yell, "Moon by 2026, baby." This could rewrite space history. Starship to the moon, yay or nay? Drop your take in the comments.